Welcome back to Appliance Educator. Today I'm going to go over the different types of convection ovens. What is convection? What are the pros and cons of convection? What you should be looking for with convection ovens? And what types of convection cooking are out there? You have convection microwaves, convection ovens, and two different types of convection cooking. We'll cover all that in this video. In front of me you can see two appliances, an oven and a microwave. They offer regular cooking and convection cooking. The microwave convection oven is a little bit different than a regular microwave oven in the sense that it has a fan in the back, and that's where the convection comes in. Same with the range oven. It's an alternative to an air fryer, where the convection fan will circulate hot air around the food, essentially searing the food as it goes in with the hot air that moves around it. The pros and cons to convection cooking is your food will not have as much moisture taken away from it as with regular cooking. You can also have every rack occupied depending on what you're cooking. With the convection fan, it'll be moving air around the oven, so you don't have to do as many batches, let's say with cookies or fries. You can have multiple racks in the oven at the same time. Similar goes for the convection microwave. It won't draw out as much moisture from your food as a regular microwave. Now with convection itself, there are two styles of convection, irregardless of the appliance it uses. Most convections, the most common is having a heating element above and below and a fan in the back to circulate the air. There is something called true convection, which adds a third heating element, as well as European convection. They're one and the same. The names are interchanged in the industry. True convection or European convection are the same, and they're different than regular convection, which has just one fan and two heating elements. Why would you want convection cooking? The easiest answer is it reduces cooking times by 25%, and it also creates an even heating around the food. Now, microwave convection ovens are quite different than regular microwaves. You're going to have a heating element above and below and the fan behind, as well as the traditional microwave elements. So that will cook your food a lot faster than a regular microwave, and it'll cook it a lot better by having a more even heat as opposed to having that icicle outside and lava interior. So convection microwaves are far superior than regular microwaves in that regard. And it's the same for ovens. You're going to be heating stuff a lot faster than you would in a regular oven just because of that airflow around it. With the small batch of, let's say, cookies, it won't be as noticeable. You might shave off half a minute or a minute. But with bigger things like poultry or turkey, you're going to be shaving off maybe an hour over a long period of time of cooking a huge dish. And that's where convection really soars, is the time it takes to cook and how well it does at that. So some of the pros for convection that we covered, even cooking throughout the appliance, which means less rotating of your food. So you can set it and forget it compared to a regular oven. Alongside that, you have faster preheating times and faster cooking times with that. Some of the cons are most recipes are written specifically for convection ovens, but there are certain recipes that are written for regular ovens without convection, such as like a delicate cake, for instance, that requires an oven without airflow to allow the cake to rise. But given the scope of recipes that require or recommend convection cooking, you're really better off having a convection oven and a convection microwave oven in your kitchen. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful in informing you on what convection cooking is, and hopefully you can decide better on which appliance will suit your kitchen in the future. If there's content you want to see on our channel, please leave a comment down below. Always, please like and subscribe. If there's something I didn't cover in the video that you felt was missed and needed, please leave a comment down below. Thanks again for watching.